online ones. Me and Meowriza arm wrestled, and actually, I did exceedingly like quite well.
Oh boy.
Oh
boy.
Meowriza's winning this. Just be honest, Meowriza's winning this.
There you go. Here.
Okay. Does anyone want to count it down?
Meowriza's winning this.
Like, look,
Oh damn.
dude, I'm kind of winning for a second there. She's really trying.
No shot.
Finish going.
Yeah.
Stop twisting your
And then she gets all like, you're cheating, you're cheating. I did okay, but like you gotta imagine, like I weighed more there, and also Riza's on estrogen, and I'm fucking testosterone filled, big boy, manly, big fucking 700, fucking big, oh boy, 700 testosterone, motherfucker, 23 nmol, big, fucking Chad arms, mother. Dude, this camera is slightly more warped. Why is it black on the inside? Weird. Is it black on the inside? What the fuck? Anyway. Big fucking boom! Fucking win, bro. What the fuck? Absurd. So good.
There's something called skinny fat where your BMI is in the